I want to go away to a bright island where the food tastes good and we're all smiling, where the sun rises early and goes down late. There's a DJ in the place and it sounds so great. I want to feel free, cause I'm hating this. It should be just me, not relationships, not employment, exams and a load of stress. I want a deep blue ocean that's soaking wet. I want time on my side and life to be mine, a bounce in my step and a nice skyline. Under silk covers, stay in bed till 1 instead of reciting essays and the words I'm on. I want to disconnect just for a week or two and go along with nature like the seasons do, trying to improve my mood with material worth. I want to sit back, relax instead of fearing the worst. I want to wake up for once feeling nice and refreshed, instead of being vexed thinking life is a test. I want to go away, clean air and warm evenings. My mind can unwind, not try to form meaning. I want to have no cares, feel like a kid again, living in a simpler vein. Those were the easy days. I want to write poetry I'm happy about, instead of screwing paper when I'm having my doubts. A little me time, a chance for reflection, some hours alone to play my vinyl collection. I want to eat Nando's every day of the week and not calculate how much my weight has increased. I want to make everything with him better again, wake up without rain when the weather has changed. I want a live band so this music can touch, instead of getting paranoid we're losing our love.